Hello, hello. We have joined the Green Mountain Grill community. We got it all put together. We got our pan slope covered in foil. We got our drip pan covered in foil. We got our little hook thing to slide the box back and forth.
It's a heat distribution box.
Heat distribution box, he says. And we've got our Wi-Fi hooked up and our app installed. So we're getting ready to put a pork butt on here. Woohoo! For some pulled pork sandwiches. What you say, Mr. C?
Fantastic. Press once to get a 0. So it reads 0. Press once.
Okay, y'all hear it?
Once the unit hits number 1 on the screen, unplug the unit from the back plug it in again. The unit should read off on the screen 1. Once number 1, unplug it from the back. Unplug the unit from the back and plug it in again. So we got to unplug that plug in the back and plug it back in.
You hit 1 yet? I guess it takes a little while for it to hit 1. Oh.
Should read off on the screen.
Okay, it's on 1.
Now we unplug it in the back. What it said, unplug it here. Plug it in again. And it should read off, which it does. Okay, now press the red power button again to restart the grill. 0, 1, 2, 3, process and heat up to 150 degrees.
So you just let it go all the way to 150?
It has a procedure.
Okay.
Once your grill has reached 150, you can then adjust to your desired temperature, which we want 300 degrees.
And it's supposed to smoke like that?
I guess so.
You want that plastic right there.
All right.
That's the meat probe, y'all.
Yeah, it's a temperature sensor for you.
So all we're doing is priming it right now.
Yeah, we're prepping it to run. Then we'll let it shut off and cool down. We'll hit the off and it'll shut down. There's 1.
And then we'll put our pork butt on about 10 o'clock tonight.
But we have to start off the grill before we put the pork butt on.
Right. Right.
We're not going to sit here and let it burn all day.
Well,
It's a
no.
waste of fuel.
Okay. Comes on. Look at all the smoke coming out of there. Woo! Out of the chimney too. All right. It made it up to, well, it goes between 351 and 352. There's the fan. And you have to let it sit here like this for 30 minutes. And you download the Green Mountain app. After we do this prepping part, we're going to put our meat on tonight. And I'll use the phone to control the temperature. Sweet. Killer hog. Okay, these are the seasonings that we used on the pork butt.
So what's the difference?
That's your rub, your pork butt, and this is an all-purpose
So we did both
seasoning.
these on there?
Yeah, this is an all-purpose.
So get a picture of both of them, Sharon.
She did.
I did.
We put this on first for an all-purpose.
This is the one that you put on first. and you coat the whole thing. All sides, the bottom, the top, everything. And then you coat it with the barbecue stuff. And it's coated all completely around it too.
Okay.
Sides, bottom, the whole 9 yards. And then you put your fat side on the grill first. And we're going to do that in an hour.
Yeah. It took me 30 minutes to fire it up. I fire it up. It'll take 15 minutes to run its cycle and get it to 200. We're going to do 200 through the night.
That's right. We're going to put it on at 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. and let it cook through the night.
And check it at 7 in the morning to make sure it's still hot. Then at 7, what do we do? Turn it up, let it sit for 3 more hours, cook for 3 more hours. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, there we go. She's coming out with it. That looks pretty daggone good. All right. Let me get down the stairs here.
$179. 180. Is it hot? Is that handle hot?
Nope. That side goes down.
Right around. There she is.
All right there, y'all. A whole lot of pretty to see.
Let me see. There it is.
It's a Green Mountain Grill, GMG.
Yeah.
Both lids. It's coming up to,
Oh, down to 168 now.
when you open the lid, what did it say? What was that thing it said in the book?
The breathing, or no, what they call it?
No, if you open the lid, you can't cook, or you...
Oh, if you open the lid, you're not cooking.
Right. We'll check it. Now, do we want to put this probe in it? We're going to do that in the morning.
I have no idea.
It'll be hot in the morning, but not that hot. Just stick it in there in the morning. Stick it in there now while it's cold.
I think if you stick it in there in the morning, you'll be all right.
You don't have to be in there all night.
Right.
All right, stick it in there in the morning.
Okay. All right. There she goes, coming up fast.
Get the numbers on the camera.
It's on there. Yeah, see? There it is. Coming up fast, boy.
Check it at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yep. Time to go to sleep. All right, cool. Cool.
Like it's got some.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, look how pretty it is, y'all. All right, I'm gonna stick my.
Stick it in there.
It's at 165, and they say we want it around 190. Well, we're at 182 now. Nice. So he's gonna stick the probe in there. We're gonna turn it up a little bit. It's hot.
I realize that.
Oh man, y'all. Smells pretty darn good too. So how do we know how the...
I pushed it. I put it on food. It's 196 down inside.
Wow. So Malcolm, the barbecue guy
Mm-hmm.
said we wanted it at 180. So is that, I mean at 190. So is that not ready? He said we could go to 200. It's almost there.
What do you think, Daryl?
I think to 200.
Okay. That's the food probe, so I'll go back over here.
Yeah, just push the middle one again.
Take it up a little bit more. It's like 210.
225 is what he did, yeah.
225.
There you go.
I think got some bark on it now.
Yeah, buddy. If you got another meat temperature probe,
That's what she did.
get it going real nice and easy.
Oh, yeah. Like
Yeah.
butter, honey.
Okay. Well,
You're taking it to 225.
how long we did that for? About 3 to 4 hours?
That's how we cooked it.
205.
It's at 223 right now.
That's the. No, I switched it over. That's the temperature of the hopper.
Daryl's done this a lot, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
This is our first time. What's that mean?
Food.
Oh,
It's $1.99 on it inside that thing.
that's pretty sweet,
We want to hit what 200
right?
for about an hour.
So how do we turn the Wi-Fi on?
I don't know.
He didn't read that part, y'all.
I ain't fooling no that.
Sharon's gonna fool with that. Look, the grease bucket is dripping, buddy. Wow, that's a lot of grease.
Yep, that's what you want.
Woohoo! All right. Look at that gorgeous hunk of meat. Oh my. Look how dark the bark is. Oh, I already tasted it. It is delicious. Bobby's gonna come in here in a minute and just shred it apart. Woohoo! If he don't hurry up, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, we're fixing to debone this thing.
Debone?
Debone it.
Yep, you're supposed to pull the bone out first.
Mm-hmm.
And the bone is right here.
Should pop right out.
Oh, it should. Thing is cooked on there. It's a big one. Holy moly. You're breathing too hard. He's cold. I can't get the bone out. Let me just start pulling this off. Now look how good that looks. Yum.
You need to.
No, it's not really letting me.
Smells daggone good.
Doesn't it? Our smell-o-vision doesn't work.
Camera went off.
It didn't go off. The back of it goes off.
I'll still keep filming.
Yep.
Even though I can't see a picture.
Yep.
Okay. Can you make the back of it come back on?
We've touched the back of it.
Oh, there it is.
Phew. It's hot.
Mm-hmm. Man.
My gloves aren't thick enough.
You're working that thing now. Whoa.
Ooh. What's going on?
You said it would be hot. That's good. I'm just videoing you.
We need to get those claws.
Yeah. We need to break that piece up.
It's a big piece. There's the bone.
Mm-hmm. Wow. There she comes.
Yep. Oh, it's a big one. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Get the meat off of it. You need a paper towel to set it on or something? Or you going to set this right here?
I'm going to set it in that tray.
Then we'll put it in the... Okay, there you go.
Now we can really rip it apart.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot. Damn. I mean, it's hot. Get the other fork out of here.
Okay. So, you want me to keep videoing or just this
You
is
can
good?
turn it off. There it is, all pulled apart. And it is delicious. Look at Bobby. He did a good job. He said all he did was follow directions.
That's important.
Doesn't that look awesome? We're going to have that today with smoked shotgun shells. I'll let Kim explain that. So how are Kim's shotgun shells?
Excellent.
Look at that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
And how's the barbecue sandwich?
They had a bite, but I had some real good.
How is it?
Oh, it's very good.
Awesome.
Tell them how you made that, babe.
I made what? The shotgun shells?
Yeah.
It's way
What's in
too
it?
long.
I forgot.
It's way too long? She says it's way too long, but she took a bite of the barbecue.
It's very good.
So, here are the shotgun shells. It
was How to Barbecue Right's recipe. It's sweet Italian sausage, hamburger meat, cream cheese, and cheese wrapped in bacon. But it's not, it's meat churches. I'm sorry.
Inside
They
a
look delicious.
Montacani shell.
Aha. All right. We'll cover it back up. There's the barbecue. Man, our first time, I think it was a success. Yep, it was a success. So I'm going to get me some.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.
Down underneath.